The initially set of renders have authoritatively shown up, starting off the following a little while of renders, holes, and bits of hearsay encompassing Samsung's next leader cell phone. The renders show up from dependable source add-on leaks, so we might just be taking a gander at Samsung's next leader in these renders. Remember, the renders don't address last equipment precisely. Regardless of whether these depend on the real gadget, the last plan could change. Anyway, on to the Samsung gadget being referred to. These renders address the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and the plan exceptionally takes after what a Galaxy Note cell phone ought to resemble. The top and base sides of the telephone are level, and the telephone has a round and hollow shape, which helps us to remember the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, the one with the Cascade show. The S22 Ultra doesn't seem to have this level of a bend, however. Let's shift concentration to the quad camera arrangement. It seems as though it gets a similar camera equipment from the Galaxy S21 Ultra, down to the design and position of the cameras. This has been named the P-Chapet forward-looking camera likewise gives off an impression of being unchanged. Another remarkable element of this telephone is the opening for stowing a S Pen. This certifies with two ongoing reports about the telephone conveying its own S Pen. Strangely, the Galaxy S22 Ultra was accounted for to have a similar size 5000 mAh battery, so Samsung may have figured out how to sort out some way to remastermind the telephone's internals while making sufficient space to add the S Pen. According to add-on leaks spill. Accomplice digit, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a 6.8-inch double-bended showcase with high revive rate and high goal. The measurements gave are 163.2 x 77.9 x 8.9 mm with the greatest thickness at 10.5 mm on the off chance that you incorporate the camera bump. There is no Galaxy Note cell phone for 2021. However, the Galaxy S21 Ultra upheld the S Pen. In the meantime, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 likewise upheld another S Pen, guaranteeing enough options for an appropriate Galaxy Note 20 Ultra replacement. We will not catch wind of Samsung's next leader until the main quarter of the following year. Samsung's Galaxy S21 arrangement dispatched in late January of 2021, so we could anticipate that it should show up around a similar time or later.